Hello everyone, this is Kevin from Tianjin HOYITE. Follow me visit our workshop right now. Okay, firstly, you will see our machine head processing area. Please look at our machine head part. Its smooth surface will let machine looks like very beautiful. Okay, this way please. These machines are processing the main components of the machine head. Our company has invested in this equipment to produce the main components ourselves, just to ensure that all our machines are in optimal operating condition. We can see the smooth surface with our eyes. And you can see here, our machine head is one body. Such a process will increase our production costs, but it can make the service life of the machine longer. I should tell to you, this is our new workshop, so it is different as our other video. Those area machine is produced up to 2 machine head. Follow me this way please. Let us go to see large size crimping machine part. I will show 6 inches crimping machine part for you later. Its crimping range 6 to 100 millimeters. Our accessories are all processed by CNC machine with high precision and smoothness. Machine head part smoothness allows it to exert better crimp and bigger crimp force. If you would like to customize bigger size machine, we are welcome. Look at here how the machine tool performs processing. The accessories processed by our new process have high smoothness and high hardness, which can make the crimping smoother and have a longer service life. Okay, let us look at other CNC machine right now. These are our newly purchased more professional equipment. We have 50 plus set CNC machine to produce different part. Welcome you visit our workshop anytime, and we accept online and video type visit. Okay, follow me this way please. The quality of these core components is very important, so we take it very seriously. No expense is spared to ensure your operational experience. We can see hydraulic tank production at here. Its quality determines the service life of the machine. We invested a lot of money to purchase these CNC machine tools, just to control the quality of main components, to ensure the service life of our products. Those are dies-based semi-finished products. We can see that it is placed in groups. There is a group of 8 pieces, because our machines has 8% seconds die space each side. Okay, this way please. Let us visit next part. We will see processing machinery for large size machines. Because 1/4 to 2 inches are a hot cell model, there are few uses for machines above 2 inches. So our big size machine less than small size machine. Okay, let us go to next part. Look at here. Here we can see the next process. We weld the metal bracket to the machine headed here. Put it to mount with to the fuselage, and take the make wood firmly connected. What we see are still semi-finished products. Next, it also needs surface treatment. Okay, let us continue. Next, let's take a look at the head of the large size crimping machine. This way please, they are here. Therefore, how's the crimping machine head part? They're from large CNC large size machine tools. Our factory total investment about $8 million and the annual production capacity is 5,000 units. Our factory covering an area of 20,000 square meters. We production various types of machinery has crimping machine, cutting machine and skiving machine. Our hose crimping machine working range has 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, 14 inches and up to 20 inches. Okay, this way please. Let's go visit the next production link together. At here, we reinforce and surface treat the machined parts. The processed semi-finished products are here waiting for further processing. We always have plenty of accessories on hand so that we can deliver your order soon. Let's take another look at how the dies is surface treatment. The dies is very important part of the machine. Its hardness and wear resistance are related to the withholding effect and service life. Our dies are made of high quality steel and processed with unique techniques to ensure quality. Our 2 inches machine include 10 sets dies. There are 8 pieces dies each set dies. We have 3 kinds dies: normal kind, dovetail kind, quick change kind. Let us visit first. I will go into details later. Let's continue the visit, and we will next see the surface treatment head parts. Maybe you don't find it intuitive to visit our workshop in the video. We always welcome you to visit our factory in person. You can see our machines headed here. They are finished surface treatment and drying at here. There are different size parted here. Those are 2 inches matchy head. Because 2 inches crimping machine is our hot cell kind, so we can see most of part for that. There are 3 inches and 4 inches machine head. Those machine head looks like very small. They are 1 inches manual crimping machine head. Okay, follow me go to the next place to see our parts warehouse. Our spare parts warehouse is here. This way please. Our most spare part from famous brand of China or international. For example, the electromagnetic valve from HOYITE brand. It is famous brand in China. Okay, this way please. Next let us take a look at the other parts of the machine. Look at here, you can see many different color part, because we can customize many color for you. Our normal color is blue. We can be customized color has red, gray, yellow, green, black and so on. The picture shows color for your reference. Those color we accept minimum water quantity is 1 set. Look at this light blue color. I think it is nice too. How do you think it? If you would like to order other color, you show picture or color code to us is okay. We have sufficient spare parts inventory to ensure timely delivery to you. By the way, customized color will 10 days delivery time. Okay, this way please. Let us understand how the machine is assembled. Look at this machine. It is used for crimp square steel pipe. Crimp picture for your reference. It can be help us fast to link same size steel square pipe. If you would like to watch this how to work, we have an entire video show it for you. Okay, let us continue go to next place. Look at here, we are install pump in the machine body. And then, look at here, there are machine's electrical control box. Electrical components and control panels are installed here. Its color normal same as machine body. If you would like to its color different as machine body, we can do it for you. Those are machine's head part. Different sizes correspond to different models. Here is hot cell model hit, 68 normal dies. We can do quick change dies and dovetail type dies for you. As I said just now, 2 inches hose crimping machine normal include 10 sets dies. The dies number is 15 hash, 19 hash, 23 hash, 26 number, 31 number, 36 hash, 41 hash, 47 hash, 55 number, 63 hash. This way please, we'll install machine head with machine body together here. We can see the machine head installed with machine body. This one install machine head in electric control box and work light. The light fit for working in night or poorly lit workshop. This is our hit 51F. It is one of the hot selling model. So we have its part is enough in our warehouse. The color has gray and blue. We can see they have been installed motor and hydraulic pump. This is motor, normal it is 380 volts, 50 Hz, 3p hours. This is hydraulic tank. But don't worry, we can do 110 volts, 220 volts, 450 volts, and so on. Look at here, there's semi-finished products of our another hot cell model of it, 68. Our machines have many type operating systems for you choose. For example, button type, CNC type, touchscreen type. When we receive your order, our produce department will install operation system by your order. By the way, if you have any idea or require, let me know first and then talk it together. Because our technical team of dozens of people can help you realize it. Okay, let us go to next place to see installed machine. user have been installed machine of HOYITE 68 and HOYITE 51F. Look over there, that's our staff calibrating and testing the installed machine. Our own machine will test before shipping, so when you receive machine, you only change the power line is enough. Because we don't know how is the usage environment in workshop, so our machine power line is a schema. You should be changed by your power line and link it with your main power in workshop. We recommend using a power cord larger than 6 square millimeters. Our technicians are debugging the machine there. Our own machinery must be testing and calibration before shipping. When you receive machine, in addition to connecting the power supply, you also need to add hydraulic oil. We save our calibrated and tested machines ready for packaging at here. The one we are seeing now is HOYITE 68. We accept OEM, so we will show your logo on the machine before packing. Look at this one, it is used for crimp steel pipe, it's used for crimping and scaffolding or greenhouse pipe racks. Its advantage is that the machine head can change direction. One set is better than 2 sets. It can meet the steel pipe crimping from 10 to 75 millimeters. Following its crimping show picture for your reference. Of course, if you want to crimping other shapes, we can customize it according to your needs. This is customized machine. We have been used bigger wooden case to packing it. Those are HOYITE 51F. They're from different client order. They want to show themselves brand. Let us continue visit. I will show its detail later. Look at this one. It's HOYITE 120B. Its crimping range from 1/4 inches to 3 or 4 inches. It includes 15 sets dies. This is HOYITE 12 volts crimping machine. It supports 12 volts car battery power supply. Crimping range from 6 mm to 51 mm hydraulic hose. I should be to highlight this one. It has a cooling device. It is suitable for long-term work and avoids the increase in hydraulic oil temperature caused by long-term work. These are already packed and we're still waiting for the customer's shipping instructions. Next, let us look at our another can crimping machine. Our ultra-thin type crimping machine. It has ultra-thin machine head with large opening. This can crimping machine, we have 2 inches and 3 inches for your choose. It also supports different operating systems and quick change dies. This is HOYITE 76B, crimping range up to 3 inches, and it includes 15 sets dies. This is button type. We can make it with back limit switch. This means when the hose touches the switch, the machine will automate to crimp. We don't need to push any button. Those are our pack machine and wooden case warehouse. Okay, that's all. Our workshop visit stop at here. Thank you very much for your time. After that, let me show some models and operation detail for your reference. Crimping range 1/4 inches to 2 inches. Include 10 sets dies. This is our control panel display show. Inching semi-automatic. Inching means push button. The machine is working. Release button, the machine stop work. This is machine power line. When you receive the machine, you should change it by yourself line. As I said, it should be bigger than 6 square millimeters. Otherwise, the machine will not work properly or causing a short circuit. This hole, we call it a level window. Our machine normal at 60 for hydraulic oil. If your place is very cold, it should change to 30 to hydraulic oil. We can see that the oil is decreasing. Because the machine is working, the hydraulic pump draws hydraulic oil from here into the hydraulic cylinder. We must fill up the hydraulic oil before starting the machine. It must be higher than red dot. This is electromagnetic valve. We can see it change the oil in and out. Let us watch the machine how to working in automatic. We can see the machine had dies base within dies hard to running. Okay, this marks the end of our workshop tour for today. We eagerly anticipate your visit to experience it firsthand.